Another birthday gift that I got was an espresso machine. So we got the girl, we got the water in, and we have the espresso bro. We definitely will be needing to get the espresso cups. While we're waiting for the espresso, we're gonna put on our normal coffee. Alright, we got 2 double espresso shots. Now we're waiting for the coffee. Coffee.
He's so cute, big boy. He's so cute. Huh.
What time is it?
Good boy today. 9:36. And you listen to Mama when she tells you to turn off that game.
Oh fuck yeah. Oh fuck yeah, babe,
Like
try
it?
this.
Thank you.
10 out of 10. Oh my gosh, babe. This is what I needed. This is what I've been needing.
Smart boy.